I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired of the suffering. I'm tired of people feeling like they don't have to be responsible for each other. And I was speaking about people's perception. It was the other disruptive statement I hear people say. I don't care what people think about me. When you hear somebody say something like that, well, it's always 6 to 8 people in your radius. Or I would say up to. And those people are important. And if these are people that you show up for, if these are people that you need to show up for you, then there has to be a level of caring about what they think. People tend to always get admired when they're the asshole. People love running to the asshole. They love admiring their don't give a shit attitude. They love the admiration and the freedom of what that looks like. But really, it's a wall. It's somebody indirectly and loudly sometimes, or starkly, building a barrier that causes people to hesitate or not dare come towards them with anything. And creating boundaries are safe. Sometimes the way you create a boundary, you could push out the very thing that you need. Because you lie to yourself about what you need, and then you also make it seem like you're the person that doesn't need anybody else to show up, but you're exhausted showing up for everybody else. You do want to protect your peace. You do want to protect your peace. You do want to care about what people's perceptions are about you, because inadvertently you depend on that. And a lot of times people who are saying that they want to protect their peace, most people who have to say that, not all people, most people who feel the need to always constantly say stuff like that don't have peace. They have just a form of structured silence. And you can't even tell if that place is a prison or not, because it's so much of a wall put up against anybody coming near it. And God forbid anybody actually see them and understand the type of help that they need. The moment the other person gets seen, they get offended. So in other words, people walk around wanting to be seen. You overserve a whole bunch of people for so long that you forget how to serve yourself so much that you want somebody to see your needs and be able to telepathically just meet them. But then you finally get your prayer answered and you get somebody that can see your needs. In the moment that they can see your needs, you don't feel seen, you feel exposed. And then you treat them like the problem when they came with the solution. Their perception of you was exactly right. It was exactly right. And you treated them like the enemy. It doesn't take a whole group of people to see what you need. It takes one person. And y'all have made it almost like a fashion statement or a piece of your outfit. It's almost like like y'all enjoy savagery so much that when the light is peeking through for you to grab onto it. You throw your darkness at it and then tell the light that it's wrong for shining and get upset that you just can't have that one thing when you've been given it already. You just keep killing it every time because that's what you know how to do. You know how to kill. And then this hamster wheel of I can't find it. Oh, I got it. Oh, I just lost it. I can't find it. Oh, it just keep going. And then you want to replace it. And then so much time passes. And then you get this grace. You get to come up again. You get this grace. You get to come up again. You come into this space. And then you go through self-doubt. And, oh, I can't believe it. Oh, I don't deserve this. Oh, look what I did over here. Oh, I don't deserve it. But you asked. Do you not realize that sometimes when you ask for certain things a certain way that you're literally calling grace by its name? Do you know that grace is not prejudice? People are. Grace doesn't resist. People do that. Grace doesn't say no. People push it away. So much that they don't even understand grace when it comes to the form of a person. And then some other people have tools that they use that they like to make representative of the person that's supposed to be standing in the space. And so when they think that they put that representative in front, that that's what that person wants. The person never wanted the thing. The person never wanted the representative. The person wanted the person because that's what the person saw. You wait all these years for somebody to say, I see you. And then you get seen and don't even realize that your heart is being met. You're so used to not being seen that being seen feels like exposure, but you want to be seen so bad.